Hey everyone! Today we're looking at the post table block from TableKit, a Gutenberg native way to turn your content into a dynamic structured table. To get started, open any page in the Gutenberg editor and drag in the post table block. In this intersection, you've got two ways to go. You can either start with a pre-designed template or build everything from scratch. If you want the shortcut, click Choose, browse the template library, and find a post table you like. Then import it in one click. Done. Instant gratification. But for this tutorial, we're doing it the long way. Click Start with Dummy. Next, head over to Query Filter. This is where you decide what kind of content shows up in your table. You can pick Pages, Media, or Posts. We'll stick with Posts. As soon as you select it, TableKit automatically pulls in your posts and displays them in this structured table. Quick and easy. From here, you can filter the post table with query filters like taxonomies, terms, author, and more. Next, let's configure the column settings. Click the Add Items button to create a new column. For every column, you'll define two things: the label, which is your column header, and the field, which decides what product data shows up there. Let's make it more visual. Add another column and select Feature Image. Set the header, enable image links if you want the image to lead to the product page, and even adjust the image size. You can also add columns for post tags, categories, post comments, and configure them. Once you set up the post table, let's configure the settings. You can show or hide the header. Enable pagination for easier browsing. Choose whether to display rows per page. Show total results. Enable pagination controls. Enable search. Individual column search, export button. Switch to fixed width cells for consistent layout. Need more spacing? Disable border collapse and manually adjust vertical and horizontal gaps. In the Style tab, the Common panel handles global alignment and typography. For headers, you can specifically adjust the background color and text styles to make your table titles pop. You can style columns individually by selecting them from the list. Furthermore, under the Cells menu, you can apply distinct styles to odd or even rows to improve readability. Fine-tune the look of your export buttons, drop-downs, and search buttons. You can even customize the size and color of the sorting icons. Under the Advanced tab, enable Freeze Table to keep your header visible while scrolling through long lists of data. You can also freeze specific columns from the left or right. This is extremely helpful for keeping ID or name columns in view as you scroll horizontally. There's also conditional formatting, which is where things get interesting. You can set rules like if a value matches this condition, then automatically change the color of a cell or even an entire row. It's a great way to highlight important data without forcing users to hunt for it. Now let's look at the front end. The search bar is highly responsive. You can search globally or use the drop-down to search within a specific column, like ID or name, for more precise results. Finally, users can use the Export button to download a CSV or Excel file. Selecting Print will generate a clean, formatted preview of your data, ready for printing on paper or as a PDF.